Hi, my name is Tony Law from Your First Four Houses, and today is an absolutely huge day for Lianna and I. As you may be able to see behind me here, we are moving house. We currently live in Poole on the south coast of the UK, but we're relocating up to Bristol and starting a whole new life up there, which we are so excited about. But for the next 6 weeks, I'm going to be living in a rented accommodation down in Cornwall, and I'm going to be doing some work during that time. Now, honestly, we are one of the few people in the UK that are actually legally allowed to move during this period, despite the fact that we're in a full lockdown naturally, because it's part of the moving process. We are actually allowed to do this, in case anyone comments on that. But I want to use these 6 weeks to be really, really productive. I want to achieve two things, both of which are going to hopefully help you. The first is I want to take these 6 weeks to actually plan out the whole of 2021's content. And the second thing I want to do is I want to make 1 or 2 or 3 or 10 videos specifically to address issues that are maybe stopping you from moving forwards, challenges that perhaps you're having that's stopping you from building your own property portfolio and becoming financially free. And this is where you could perhaps help me. And there's a little bit of a bribe here. I should mention that up front. I would really appreciate it if you would be kind enough to take maybe just 2 minutes to complete a very short survey, which I've got in the description box below. Just 2 minutes of your time is all I'm asking, just to maybe answer 1 or 2 questions that will absolutely help me to mold and shape the content that I'm going to be putting out over the next year, over the next 12 months. But I may also look at the question or the challenge that you're having and make you a very personal video that will hopefully really help you get over this stumbling block, get over this challenge, so that you can then move forwards. Now, I've got a bit of a gentle bribe for you that will hopefully entice you to actually do this, to actually fill in this form for me. Over the years, I have read hundreds of really awesome property and business-based books, many of which have absolutely changed my life, or certainly changed the direction of my business. And I'm going to be giving away all of my collection of books. Now, I've dwindled it down to just a small number of the most powerful books. And if I make a video on the challenge or the issue that you are having, I'm going to be giving you maybe 1 or 2, depending on how big the issue is, of these books or DVDs. As I say, many of these have absolutely changed the direction of my life, and I know that these can help you. Bit of a bribe, I know. So if you would be kind enough to take a couple of minutes just to fill in that survey, it will really help me, but hopefully it will also really help you. One last thing, I hope 2021 is an absolutely awesome year for you, and I am here to help as you move through this year. So I hope you had a fantastic Christmas, and here's wishing you every success for 2021.